cancel. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge Beta. This is Swapnil, and this video is related to MacBook. If you are new to MacBook and want to make some changes in the timing, or want to change the time according to your time zone, or do some time related changes in the Mac like this, what I have recently done is I have added seconds also. So right, if you see 8:52, 39, 40, the seconds is counting and it's continuously changing. And if you want to add same effect or same change in your MacBook, then what you have to do is you have to open your setting. So under settings, you have to click on menu bar where all your menus are appearing. And if you go down, if you go to up, there is an option called clock. You have to click on that. Okay. And if you click over here, there are two types of options. Carefully observe. Right now it's showing a time, but if I set it's analog, okay, it's showing like icon of clock, but it's not appealing that way. But so we will select as a digital. It will again show AM and PM. If you close this, it will not show, but I want to showcase this. Flash the time separator. What is this? Okay, it's flashing right now. Okay, these are the different settings. But for the seconds one, if I close this, it will not show second, but if I enable this, it will show seconds, right? And announce time if you want, but it will irritate your computer if you are doing some development and all. But I personally recommend don't do this. But if you want to apply a seconds or want to show seconds, then this is how you can do it, right? And again, if you want to do any modification from here, you can do that. So this is how it, very simple way to change the time or add seconds in your time of MacBook. If you like my video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.